first step is to place your pry bar back and behind the sill insert. Raking it left and right will pop it out of place, and you can remove it. You will repeat these steps with the head insert and the jam inserts. On the lock bar side of the jam insert, you want to make sure not to place your pry bar on any plastic pieces that could break. On the hinge side of the jam inserts, you merely have to pop it off to remove it. Putting the jam inserts back on is as simple as using a glazing hammer, placing them back in the tracks, and tapping them back in with your glazing hammer. You will need to place in your jam inserts, then your head insert, and then finally your sill insert.